Did you know that more than 7 million people in the United States will get a knee or hip replacement during their lifetime? And that number is growing as we live longer, stay active, and do more. If you or a loved one has chronic knee or hip pain during daily activities, joint replacement can be a truly transformational option for improving quality of life. Thanks to advances in hip and knee replacement procedures and new options like robotic surgery, more adults under 50 are having successful joint surgery. Total joint replacement can relieve pain while restoring mobility and balance, and recovery is quicker than ever before, so that you can get back to daily activities pain-free. If you're experiencing discomfort when you move, get checked out. And if your doctor suggests joint replacement, don't feel like you need to delay. Contact us to learn more about your options today.